If you've just got the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus, there are a few new AI photo assist features you should definitely check out. Because you are no longer limited to just editing photos or removing objects. Now, you can actually generate parts of an image using the built-in AI. So let's see how to use it. So for that, let's open Gallery and choose the photo that I want to edit using AI Photo Assist. Now tap on the AI icon. But when I did it for the first time, I had to follow the prompts and make sure I was logged into my Samsung account. Now, once you get through that part, you will see one of the newest, coolest features called Create. Just tap on it, and now you're going to tap on the command bar and just go ahead, tell the AI whatever changes you want in that photo in up to 100 characters. And then hit the generate button. In a moment, the AI will follow your command and create that edited version of that photo. From here, you can either save the photo or just tap on keep editing if you want to make more changes. And like this way, you can also add objects, characters to a photo. You can also change the background style, color, and more. If you tap on the photo icon, you will be redirected to the gallery. You can select any photo that has the subject, like I've got my Grogu, and then press done. You'll automatically go back to the editing screen, and now tap generate. That character will be a part of your edited photo. Apart from that, if you just want to change the style of the original photo, just tap on the style button, go to the portrait section where a lot of options will appear, and choose the one that you want to use and tap generate. And there are also other photo style options available in here, as you can see. Just go through them, select the one you want, and then just tap on generate. And the entire photo will change into that style, looking completely different from the original. And that's pretty much how you can use the new added AI Photo Assist features on your Galaxy S26. Thanks for your time.